Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice, and let me introduce to you brand new Boston Whaler 32 Vantage. 32 is one of Boston Whaler's most popular models. This is a great boat for entertaining, for family, and fishing, so it covers a lot of bases. Kind of call it the sport utility. So what we'll do, we'll kind of walk through the boat. I'll point out some of the features on the boat, some of the options. Kind of hard to see here, but this is your classic tan hull with the black boot stripe, which is an option. This one's got the optional windlass, which is very handy, as well as a stainless steel anchor. We're going to have a bow canvas across there, and we also have a tonneau cover that starts here, goes all the way to the back of the boat. Now, if you notice, this one has a huge hardtop, so it gives you a lot of protection from the wind. It has the aft sunshade that comes out about 8 feet, plus you've got your additional rod holders. This one's equipped with the big 350 Mercuries, extremely quiet. They're actually running right now. Twin 350s, these are the white ones, which is an option. This is joystick docking. They'll work with and against each other, so docking this boat's extremely easy. So let's come on inside and point out some other cool features. Rod holders on the back. The boat also has built-in shore power, so if you're keeping the boat on your dock or whatever, you can plug it in. We have a lot of deck space right here. This also pops out and makes into an aft bench seat. See how quickly I did that? Very, very easy. On our starboard side, we have our dive door right here. So depending on where you're docking, maybe it's easier to get off this way. Also, if you catch a big, gigantic fish or diving, that's also pretty nice. Killer sound system, JL audio, big amplifiers. The seat here is pretty cool too. You can have it in several different positions, depending on what you're wanting to do. So this is a popular one right here, or even if you wanted to, relax or something. So they go both ways. And then, let's see, underneath here, this is going to be your ladder for the dive door right there. Real heavy duty stainless steel. And then over here, we have our Corian countertops. Very, very nice. Nice little wet bar, if you will, refrigerator. And I do like the fact they put the battery switches right here. And I'm actually going to turn the engines off right now. And this is where the ignitions are as well. So everything's super easy to get to. Captain's chair goes fore and aft and up and down. This is going to be our joystick docking right here. So if I want to go that way, push it that way, spin to the right, spin to the left. Very, very simple. This one also has incorporated your autopilot and skyhook. And skyhook's the function, say we're waiting for a bridge or something of the sort. You can push skyhook. Those engines will work with and against each other to keep you perfectly stationary within a couple feet one way or the other. These are going to be our trim tabs. This is where we start our motors right here. You can run these off one lever if you like to. Even if they're relatively close, they're automatically going to sync themselves, and it's digital throttle and shift. So very easy to dock the boat. Active trim is kind of pretty cool. This is a feature where you turn that on, and there's 4 or 5 different settings. When you jump on plane, it's going to be trimmed down as you go. It's going to trim the motors up for you. You slow down, trims the motors down. So basically, you don't have to think about trimming the engines. This is going to be our Mercury vessel view. This is going to give us all of our diagnostics on the engine, as well as gallons per hour, range, speeds, stuff like that. And a lot of people do a 12 or 16-inch screen. And you may also be able to move this if you wanted larger screens on there. This seat right here is pretty cool too. A, you can sit down, of course. B, you can use it as a leaning post if you like to when you're cruising. Get you up a little bit higher. And then it also spins around, so that's kind of nice. This is going to be, they call it the bunk room. So if you did want to spend the night on the boat, and it's nice and cool outside hopefully, you can use it for that. And on this side, we have a fully enclosed head, hot, cold running water shower. There's a short power cord right there. So that works out real nice, and lots of headroom too. A lot of these boats, it's very cramped inside there. It's not on this one. As we go up front, we've got our arm rest right here. And for safety right here, very deep up here. You also can plug in your cell phone and or spotlight over there, or charge your phone. We talked about the windlass before. Storage underneath all of these seats. There's an optional table this one has that comes with it. So kind of like the ultimate day boat. A lot of people that get these say if they want around here, go down to Usepa or South Seas, they'll get a hotel room, have a great boat for having fun with, or even take it to the Keys. You know, it's The cruise speed's great, wide open throttle's great, large fuel tank, so the range is good on this boat. So all around, I kind of nicknamed it the sport utility. So, to recap, Boston Whaler 32 Vantage, joystick with the 350s. My name's Jeremy Bradshaw. If you'd like any additional information, the boat's located at MarineMax in Venice. Feel free to give us a ring. The number here is 941-485-3388. Thanks for taking the time. We hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.